English prepositions. Examples with answers. Number 1. She is interested dash music. Answer in. She is interested in music. Number 2. He is afraid dash the dark. Answer of. Number 3. They are excited dash the trip. Answer about. They are excited about the trip. Number 4. She is proud dash her achievements. Answer of. She is proud of her achievements. Number 5. We are worried dash the exam. Answer about. We are worried about the exam. Number 6. He is famous dash his paintings. Answer for. He is famous for his paintings. Number 7. She is responsible dash the project. Answer for. She is responsible for the project. Number 8. He is angry dash his friend. Answer with. He is angry with his friend. Number 9. She is good dash dancing. Answer at. She is good at dancing. Number 10. They are bad dash maths. Answer at. They are bad at maths. Number 11. He is different dash his brother. Answer from. He is different from his brother. Number 12. She is married dash a doctor. Answer 2. She is married to a doctor. Number 13. He is similar dash his father. Answer 2. He is similar to his father. Number 14. She is tired dash working. Answer of. She is tired of working. 15th. They are known dash their honesty. Answer for. They are known for their honesty. 16th. She is keen dash learning new things. Answer on. She is keen on learning new things. 17th. He is used dash getting up early. Answer 2. He is used to getting up early. 18th. The box is full dash books. Answer of. The box is full of books. 19th. The cup is made dash glass. Answer of. The cup is made of glass. 20th. The room is crowded dash people. Answer with. The room is crowded with people. 21st. He is jealous dash her success. Answer of. He is jealous of her success. 22nd. She is curious dash the world. Answer about. She is curious about the world. 23rd. They are ready dash the test. Answer for. They are ready for the test. 24. He is upset dash the result. Answer about. He is upset about the result. 25th. She is happy dash her new job. Answer with. She is happy with her new job. 26. He is bored dash this game. Answer with. He is bored with this game. 27th. She is serious dash her studies. Answer about. She is serious about her studies. 28th. He is late dash school. Answer for. He is late for school. 29th. The teacher is angry dash the students. Answer with. The teacher is angry with the students. 30. She is dependent dash her parents. Answer on. She is dependent on her parents. Please watch, like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.